Okay, for the first one, okay, the lifespan of spark plug is found to be normally distributed with mean 4.5 years and standard deviation 1.2. Okay, this one kita cakap normally. So, untuk satu, salah. The info given is X distributed by normal distribution with mean mu 4.5, 4.5, and then standard deviation 1.2. Don't forget put a square. Okay. Jangan lupa letak square lah sebab dia standard deviation dia tak cakap variation. Okay, and then A, if a spark plug is randomly chosen. So, we have to bear in mind this X represent, this one represent, ya Tuhan, kejap. Okay, besar sangat pula. This one represent lifespan of a spark plug. That's why kita kena aware X2 stands for apa, then kita boleh proceed. This one they are asking about a spark plug randomly chosen, probability will last. Maksudnya this question asking the lifespan, which is the very distribution yang kita dapat dekat atas ni. And then dia suruh cari less than 4 years. So the question just simply X less than, last less than lah. 4 years is 0.3372. This question suruh kita cari. Jadi kita kena change them into a z-score. So z-score kena 4 minus mu divided by 1.2. Okay.
Saya salah tulis. Saya tulis 1.5.
1.5. Okay. Kejap. Okay. Sebab nak tulis elok-elok sikit. Ini atas suruh show. Okay, jadi kita akan start daripada asal lah. We have to write it over here. Okay, less 4 minus 4.5 over 1.2. Betul? Tadi aku salah tulis Okay. So, dah tolak berapa put?
Negatif 0.4167.
Negatif. Alah, sebut negatif tadi tulis 1. Negatif 1 point?
0.4167.
Panjang now. 3 je banyak. Kenapa?
0.47.
1.047.
No, negatif 0.
Negatif 0 point. Okay. 0.47.
417.
417. Okay. 42 lah.
Betul. 42.
Okay. Tadi for the rest of yang tengok video ni nanti aku nak letak itu ke apa. Okay. Tadi Putri kata negatif 0.417. Don't bother to take 3 decimal of 4172 ke apa. Don't bother. Sebab just take 2 decimal places because in the book, buku sipil tu hanya ada 2 decimal. So tak payah.
Okay.
Kalau dapat panjang-panjang guna calculator, tak payah nak retain the long decimal. Okay, berapa? Okay, kalau negatif ni kita buat this one. This one we assume 0. So less than negative is somewhere. Betul lah. Somewhere here. Walaupun kurang tepat. Tapi tak apalah. Okay, so since negative, this one kita pusingkan dia jadi positive. But this one becomes Z greater 0.42. Okay, so just read it from the table. This one can read from the table. Berapa Putri?
0.3372.
0.3372. Ni nak biar 4 biar 4 according to the book. Okay, so settle lah the first one. Now you're asking for the second one, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's have a look the second one. Ya Allah, kenapa screen ni? Okay, nampak kot. Okay, if a man buys 8 spark plugs, what is the probability that 5 of the spark plugs will last then 4 years? Apa je tak betul ni. Last. Okay. For this one is a question about dia ada 8, dia tanya 5. So this one adalah N, this one adalah R. Agak-agak
Sir,
apa?
kecilkan sikit, tak nampak.
Tak nampak? Ni. Kecilkan
No,
apa?
no.
Zoom out.
Kecilkan benda tu. Kecil
Lah,
lagi.
tadi aku dah zoom in. Tak nampak ke?
Tadi nampak yang ni.
Yang ni nampak?
Ke kiri sikit.
Macam ni?
Lagi.
Ha.
Okay, kecilkan lagi sikit.
Oh, kecilkan. Kecilkan like this.
Lagi.
Kecilkan. Macam ni?
Okay dah. Dah sir dah.
Kau biar betul?
Ya, betul.
Nampak ke?
Nampak.
Aku confused. Tak apalah. Tak apa. Okay lah. Okay. This one okay. Nampak if a man buys 8 spark plug adalah N. Probability that 5 spark plug is R. Agak-agak apa ni? What this kind of distribution? Ada 8 tapi 5. 5 tu lagi kecil daripada 8. Which one? We have only 3 distribution we learn in the semester.
Sekejap.
Normal for sure bukan. So tinggal 2 je. Bino. Sebab dia tak ada cakap average. So we can rule out Poisson. Normal memang takkan. Sebab tak sebut pasal apa. Tak ada. Okay. So B actually talks about bino. So X distributed binomially. Yang aku tulis X bino kat bawah tu nampak ke?
Nampak.
Yang tadi kira normal tu semua nampak?
Nampak.
Pula.
Nampak.
Okey lah. Okay. So X bino. Bino dia punya depan ni adalah N, betul? So we get 8. Now, this one kita nak apa? P, betul? Kan? P is what? P is the probability of success. What is success? X ni kena tengok apa benda. X tu kena tengok apa benda. X tu what we are talking about the X. X is what?
Last less than 4 years.
So a number of spark plug last less than 4 years. Sampai 4 years tu nampak tak jelas kat skrin?
Nampak.
Okay, tak sebab nak bajet kawasan tu. Okay, okay. So kalau X is the number of spark plug last 4 years, then the P is the probability of this happening. So where can we get that probability? From the previous question, which is 0.372. So this kind of question dia memang full package. This chapter dia memang kalau satu set soalan macam ni lah. The first one they maybe talk about bino, bawah they talk about normal tiba-tiba, and then maybe some Poisson problem. But that's why identify what is the X is important. Okay. That's why tadi the number of spark plug. Okay, and then the P is what? The probability of this number happens, which is probability of success. Probability of spark plug less than 4 years. Okay, so pakai je lah buku. I think tak ada apa pun ni tak. Okay, so probability kan, this one exact. So boleh guna formula lah. You use 8 C5 0.3372 and then power 5 and then dia punya complement 0.6628, right? And then power 3, betul? And then kau kira dapatlah nombor. Okay, doesn't matter lah what is the number. Berapa? By the way. And also by the way, the numbers clear. Is it big enough?
Apa sir?
The numbers, is it big enough? Thick enough?
Yes. Cukup.
Ni tebal sangat.
372. Nampak,
berapa?
nampak.
Berapa?
Sekejap. Saya tengah kira.
Cepat.
5 darab 0.6628 plus 0.0711.
711. Betul? This one?
Sama.
Okay, tiba-tiba sama. Yelah, inilah. Okay. Now, this one we are using formula. Okay. Kalau kita nak pakai table, so P X equals 5. Okay, we have to bear in mind, we take more. Okay, we take more, X greater 5. Sudah kenapa? Okay, 5. Kita tolak yang kita tak nak. We only want 5. We don't want betul lah aku cakap.
Betul lah.
We don't want 6, 7 semua kita tak nak lah, betul? We minus with 6, betul?
Betul.
Okay, ada buku tak?
Kalau ada?
Ah.
0.3.
Ni bawah ni we are using buku lah. Take out the buku.
Ya. Kalau guna buku 0.34 ke dia punya sukses?
Oh yeah, that. Oh tak boleh. Tak boleh lah, baru perasan. Cannot. Tak boleh. Takkan kita nak gundakan jauh, tak boleh. Dia ada beza.
Okay, sir.
Boleh lari sikit. Okay, so tak boleh. Okay. Boleh lah. Okay, boleh settle. Okay now. So, okay. Okay, kejap. Tengok C pula. Given that a mechanic wants to buy 200 spark plug. Okay. Given dia this one dia dah cakap 200 spark plug. Agak-agak ni pakai apa?
Poiso
Banyaklah kau puasa. Kau nasib lah.
Bukan. Kejap saya.
Banyaklah kau.
Bainu juga ke? Bainu
apa
juga
Tak, mana boleh. Oh betul lah. Betul aku Okay, betul. Okay. Sebab given mechanic wants to buy 200 spark plug. Sebab yang sebelum the previous one they are talking about 8 spark plug, betul? And then betul. 5 of them yang last than 4 years. Okay, this one they want to buy 200 spark plug. So untuk C X Bino from 8 0.3372 dia nak berapa? 200. Okay, so 0.3372. Copy paste lah. Okay. Now. Ni. Estimate. Agak-agak pakai apa?
Estimate. Approximation tu ke?
Itu aku cover. Sebenarnya tak payah tunggu perkataan estimate ni. You look at the number, the N is so big.
Yeah.
The N is so big, 200. Bila 200, the number is more than 50. For sure, confirm kena pakai estimate. Even soalan tak tulis pun, we have to use estimate. It's just that the question must guide you lah kan. Okay, so we have to do the normal approximation. Normal approx. Okay, normal approx we have to change this X distributed normally. Kau darabkan untuk aku dah berapa?
Sebawahkan sikit.
Okay, fine. Ya Tuhan. Okay.
67.44.
67.4. This one
N darab P kan?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, NPQ?
Sekejap, Q dia berapa? 8 darab pasal 6628. 44.7.
Sekejap sayang. Nak melabel ni. NP. Okay. 6 berapa?
44.7.
44.7. Why this one only one decimal?
Sebab dia 44.699.
Oh, okay. That's okay, tak apalah. Boleh lah. Okay, so this is the normal approximation. Okay, now what's the question? What the question wants? Less than 80 of the spark plug. Okay, so probability X less than 80 of the spark plug will last than 4 years. Okay, last than 4 years. Okay, so this one jangan lupa buat correction. Correction, jangan lupa correction. Okay, bila buat correction, kita kena sketch. So this is our 80, this is our 79, this is our 81. And then we put the arrow. The arrow less than should be on the left, towards to the left. Towards to the left. And then the next step, what we can do is we potong. Where should we potong? This one we don't want, this one we want. So we potong in the middle. So 79.5. Okay, 79.5. 79.5. So we are taking X less than 79.5. And seterusnya we can change into Z score. 79.5 minus 67.44 divides by this one kena square root lah, betul tak?
Yeah.
Okay, square root 44.7. Okay, and then what is the numbers, my dear?
Sekejap 4.7. 1.8038. 1.80.
Kosong je lah. 81 pun tak kan?
Tak.
80 lah kan? Okay. So, okay. 1.80. 1.80 is, this is 0. 1.8 is over there. So, less than means over there. So, on the area is on the left hand side of the line.
Sikit. Tak nampak lukis tu.
Tak nampak. Yep. Nampak?
Baru nampak.
Yang itu okay, now sampai mana kau nampak? Ni nampak tak aku conteng ni?
Tak.
Ni?
Tak. Sampai yang kurungan yang 67.44 tu dah cukup-cukup.
Oh, so this is the box.
Betul?
And then sampai bawah ni sampai mana? Sini? Sini?
Tak. Betul?
That one? This one? Sampai situ je?
Yeah.
Okay then. Okay, thank you. Okay, so this is the area. So this one kita kena buat apa? Lebih ni, the area should be more than half kan? So we have to 1 minus tak nak.
Tak nak.
So 1 minus tak nak. 1 minus which one we tak nak? This one we tak nak. The one we tak nak is PZ greater 1.8. Close lah the bracket. And then close lah all this. Okay. And then 1 minus berapa tu? Z greater?
0.0359.
Okay. So we get 0.9641. Okay. So that's the answer for C. Okay.
Betul.
Betul apa?
Betul sama.
Janganlah happy sampai jawapan belakang. Jawapan belakang can be misprinted kau ni. Okay. Let's have a look at the last one. Okay. If the probability of the most spark plug will last than 4 years is 0.9. Okay. Buat belah sini lah. Nanti kita tiru kat sebelah. Okay. This one. Okay. Okay. Put, do you still see the question? Still nampak?
Apa?
Do you still see the question? Yang aku bulatkan tu, nampak?
Kecilkan sikit.
Kecilkan.
Ke kiri sikit. Kiri dah.
Okay, that's weird. Jelas lah.
Jelas?
Oh, tadi bila saya zoom tadi, nampak besar sangat lah. Kisahnya. Okay then. Okay, if the probability that at most, okay. So, probability kita tukar satu-satu. P, probability what? At most of K of the spark plug. At most apa? Less than equal. Less than equal. At most sama boleh, kurang boleh, lebih cannot. Okay, betul. At most K of the spark plug will last than 4 years is 0.9798. Ini dah tahulah yang kita kena pusing-pusing K tukar semua tu kan. Okay. So this one, okay, this one kita kena for this question kita kena buat dua benda. The first one, we have to because this one is tergolong, this is also the 200 spark plug question. This one. So we have to do the estimate for this one also. So K. So this one kita nak tukar macam mana? Okay, so this is K minus 1, this is K plus 1. And then the second step, we sketch the arrow. So less than equal is like that towards to the left. Okay, then we potong which one we don't want. K we want, right? K plus
Yeah.
1 we don't want, so we cut in the middle. So we are taking K plus 0.5. Okay, so we are taking K plus 0.5. Okay, so I padam all these things. Okay, then kita tulis balik dekat bawah. Okay, now we are writing it over here. X less than equal K plus 0.5. Okay, and then 0.9798. Okay, so we've done our approximation. After we do our approximation, then we can change it into Z score. Allahu Akbar. Sorry. Okay, suddenly jump. Okay, now, so Z less than equal K plus 0.5 minus berapa ni tadi just now? What's the value? Mu?
67.44.
6744. Okay. Allah. 6744. Okay, close. Okay, over. Okay, 44.7, correct? Okay, and then 0.9798 lah. Okay, and then
Let.
LED. Oh yes, exactly. So nampak serabut now. Okay, thank you. This one we let into zero lah. Let zero. Let B lah. Let B equals K plus 0.5 minus 6744 over square root 44.7. Okay, so what we have right now is that less than equal B. Okay, 0.9798. Okay, dah kan? Settle lah? Okay.
Settle.
Okay, settle. Now we proceed. Lepas tu nak buat apa? Okay, this one, I do the curve over here, still nampak?
Nampak?
Nampak Okay, Allah. Okay. Why jumpy, Allah? Okay, so this one 0. Okay, if B less than B is 0.9798, dia dekat mana? This one, okay, this one, just put the arrow over here means left. The area is left of B. Left of B is big.
Dekat belah kanan.
Put a big area on the left hand side of B. The B must be on the right hand side of 0. B must be over here. So the area of big is over here. Okay, big means greater than half. So this one correct lah. This is our representation of B. Okay, settle already. Now, how to solve this one? Because our less than to still less than, not yet greater. So P, Z, this one same goes to the previous one. 1 minus tak nak. Which one we tak nak? This one we tak nak. What is this we tak nak? P, Z greater than B. Greater equal ke greater? Same also, no problem. Okay, Allah. Okay. That greater equal B. Just follow the question lah if you in doubt. 0.9798. And then we make it nice. Pusing cantik semua bagai. We get 0.0202. Betul?
Betul.
Okay. Now for this one, since the greater equal, we find from table. From table, berapa?
Cari kat dalam kan?
Yes. Find it inside. Okay, for the rest of you watching this video later, this one in the table, okay, you find this value over here. Okay, 0.0202 you find over here. Jangan cari dekat the area that I cross out here. Okay, jangan cari. You find it over there, memanglah sesat sampai sudah. Ya. Okay, dah put.
2.05.
Sabar. 2 point? Oh ya,
2.05.
2.05. Memang 2 decimal pun. Okay, is it exact value?
Exact.
Exact, okay. If it's exact value, then copy. If it's not, then we take the closest one. Okay, so so from here we can compare. Sekejap, I take another color. hijau lah. Sama tadi hijau dah, kenapa? Okay, this one. Okay, so 2.05 is equal to B. Okay, so B equals 2.05. And what is B? B is the whole fraction tadi. Okay. Dah tak muat lah. Okay. B equals 2.05. What is B? B is this red thing. Okay. So K plus 0.5. Alah, patut the numbers we can settle sebenarnya dengan calculator. Okay. Over square root of 44.7 2.05. And then tak payahlah B, K lah. Okay, and then magic you kira lah like whatever you want to do. And then Putri berapa?
80.65.
80.65. So 80.
Okay, sir.
Wait.
Nombor bulat.
Yes, sabar. Oh yes. Probably most K will last then find the value. Since dia kata at most, we cannot. Oh yes. So since the number is 80.65, okay, and K is a number of things, okay, number of things. Number of things cannot point. So let's say this is 79, this is 80, this is 81. So we get this one 80.65, right?
Yes.
Now the symbol is less than equal. Okay? So don't assume that you can round off and then dapat 81 just like that. Okay, bukan macam tu dia punya alasan. Okay, even though the answer is 81 lah kan? Okay, 81, but the answer is not really 81 because this is 65 and then you bundakan. Okay, kalau the answer is not 65, kalau the answer is 80.43, then kita akan bunda kepada berapa? 80. Kenapa 80 ni salah?
Apa?
Kenapa? Okay, if the answer is 80.43, okay, and then kita bunda, kita dapat 80. Betul?
Betul.
We round off macam biasa, we dapat 80. Tapi salah. Kenapa?
Sebab benda tu dah lebih 80.
Exactly. So, the nombor, even though dia 0.43, even though we round off, dia tak sampai 80. Round off dia bukan 81. We still have to assume dia adalah 81 because probability of X less than equal 80 is not equal to the number that the question give. It's not. Dia tak sama.
Okay, sir.
Ya, kejap. Dia tak sama. Because 80, dia kena sampai 80.43. So, nak tak nak, we have to sampai 81. Okay. Even though dia 43. Okay. But in this case, the answer is 65. So, still the answer 81. So, jangan assume, jangan terus round off, 81. Tak semestinya. Okay, because the symbol over here that we use is less than equal. Dia maksud dia begitulah. That's the reason lah. Okay, because sampai sini masih lagi tak, kalau 80, dia masih lagi tak sampai probability ni. Tak sampai. Okay. Okay, so padam. Dah settle lah. Nampak sampai 81 tu?
Nampak.
Okay. Ada lagi tak?
Okay. Tak ada.
Okay. Ada lagi soalan kau sangkut? Tak apalah, nanti you give another apa? Nanti you give another gambar to me nicely and then we do discussion just like this. Okay, I think for those who thank you for your time and attention. Thank you for Putri for helping me calculating the numbers. Okay. Assalamualaikum. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Pula aku nak tutup ni Oh ni stop recording.